another package. I also must say that this one is like really big and thick, so we got a thickie in this one, boys. Also, do you like my Tower of YouTooz, otherwise known as Tower of Twos? Because I think that's pretty cool. Also, I did want to say possible YouTooz like song in the future. Yeah? But yes, anyways, welcome to What the Hey, where I'm your regular host of What the Hey, but today on What the Hey, we are opening yet another YouTooz box. I'm gonna go over some general information about YouTooz and the figure and the box, and then open it, and then we'll be good. I did want to say I do have a YouTooz video, if you're new, about YouTooz and stuff, and that gives general information, and it will basically answer any question that you have. So if you have questions about YouTooz, feel free to ask them here, but also check that out if you just want to get like the whole cap on everything. So the figure that we're opening today is known as the Shark Puppet figure. It was released on December 20th. I personally bought it on December 24th. The price was $29.99. The height was 4.5 inches. The colorway is cheese. And the YouTooz number is 45. The figure is in fact still available, so if you want to get it after watching this, or just get it in general, it's still up. As far as the short description about Shark Puppet goes, they like to scream. And as we all know, people talk loud if they want to sound good. So now I'm basically going to go into the whole YouTooz process and what I think about it. So as far as the general description of YouTooz goes, YouTooz is basically a vinyl figure making company that makes figures of memes, artists, YouTubers. So YouTooz are sold on the YouTooz website for basically $29.99 or $22.99 if you're buying a meme one. That's the usual price. The figures are usually resold, however, they're resold for a lot more, so as far as my personal opinion on that goes, buy them on the YouTooz website. I would also say that getting the figures on the release date is the best day to get them because usually they'll tend to be sold out within 5 minutes depending on the popularity of the figure, so be prepared. So now I'm going to explain the process of obtaining your YouTooz. So whenever you buy your YouTooz, you're going to get a couple emails. The first one you'll probably get is your confirmation email. That email will generally just give you a rundown of what you bought, the price, and where it's going to be shipped to. The next email that you'll probably get is your tracking email, which basically just allows you to follow your package as it goes on a wide array of adventures. The last two emails that you're bound to get are the emails that basically say your package is on the way and it has been delivered. Usually when you get the your package is being delivered email, you're going to get it on the same day. Now it's time to open the box. I'm very confused about the size of the box because the ones that I usually get are not that big, even though the figures are pretty big. The boxes, except for when I got the Spooky Souls one, have never been this big as far as I can remember. Here's the rule when opening your package: don't open it towards you, because that's what I usually tend to do. Also, describing the actual box that it comes in, it's going to have the YouTooz like basic tape, which is so cool, as well as the general logo, and on a spot on the back that I'm not going to show you because it has my address, it'll have your name, and where it's been shipped to, and all that fun stuff. So usually the best way to open it is usually on the top, because there's like the separation where they like close the box. So generally you can just like cut down the middle, and it's pretty easy. La-da-dee, la-da-da, don't cut the box. That's huge! What the heck? It's so huge. It's so huge, and it has bubble wrap. I did want to say, if you did notice, I mentioned that I bought this figure in December, and it's currently June. The whole COVID thing has just been a mess. It's not YouTooz's problem, it's the world's. As far as delivery rates go, YouTooz will usually send you your package within 2 months of buying it, so there you go. Bruh, the box is so big because of the bubble wrap. I love it. But I also love bubble wrap. I haven't popped any in like years. We're going to set this down. Y'all do be giving the protection to the YouTooz because there's bubble wrap and the plastic stuff that usually goes on the box. Dang! Can I do ASMR real quick? That was very great. So usually when you get your YouTooz out of the box, it'll just have usually the plastic covering like this part, but they put bubble wrap this time, so thank you for that. This is a huge box. So like I said, when you open the cardboard box, you're going to get the box with the protective plastic covering thing, and then the outer sleeve, and then the box inside. I'm just genuinely impressed with the size of this thing. It's just really huge. Like, I'm comparing it to my Spooky Souls one, and it's heckin' huge. But with all your YouTooz boxes, you will usually get the outer sleeve, which is just kind of like this covering. It has the name of the figure as well as like a visual of the figure in the shiny fun coating. And usually the easiest way to get the outer sleeve is just kind of like popping the box out of it while not destroying the outer sleeve, because that gets rid of the value real quick. Oh, it's huge! What? Oh my gosh! I swear I'm not trying to damage it, it's just really hard to get out. Can I wear it as a hat? Hold on. We rockin' it. So whenever you take off the outer sleeve and wear it as a hat, you will usually see the number of the figure, which this one is number 45. You will see the figure inside, and you will see that it's like titled on the box. It says Shark Puppet Meme Collection Vinyl Figure. It'll have the like different illustrations on the box, which is so cool. Usually on the back, it'll have a description of the figure, and I shall now read it. Just a puppet that loves eating cheese, screaming, and saying, yeah. If you have not watched a Shark Puppet compilation, you're missing out, because my humor has gone down so much since I've watched those. When you're ready to actually get to the figure, there is usually a flap on the top of the box, and be careful because sometimes you can like damage it, so don't. Yeah! The box usually comes with 2 flaps inside, and then there is plastic inside the box that helps protect the figure inside, so be careful with that as well. But yeah, usually you can just pull it out, and be careful when you do. This is huge! The plastic usually goes around the figure to protect it inside the box, as well as just like keep it safe. But you can usually just like pull it apart and be careful when you do. Bruh. So I'm just gonna kind of hold it right now because it's really cool and it's really kind of like heavier than the ones I've had in the past. So nice. This is genuinely really big, huge, and cool in general. It says YouTooz inside it and YouTooz.com, and then it has the cheese on the side, basically what you see online. You can put your hand inside it if you want to. But yeah, that's basically the Shark Puppet YouTooz. So cool. But yeah, that's essentially the review of this figure. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me, as well as YouTooz on their like Twitter, Instagram, and basically everywhere they're located. So yes, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye!